Abby, get the ball. Look it. Ready? One. Up. Oh, jeez, I can't reach. I don't want to fall in my phone. All right, get the ball. Get the ball. You could do it. Good girl. Go in. Get the ball. Get the ball. Up. Up. It's the first time she's ever touching fourth step. If she goes down one more. Oh, I don't know if she's liking that too much. Come on, Abba. Get the ball. Can you get the ball?
Just drop in.
Can no, you never push her in. Get the ball, but come on, baby. Go get the ball. Abby, get here. Come here. Cab, here. Get it.
She ran.
Good girl. It takes a couple times then to get them to swim. Get it. Get the ball.
Abby, go.
Get the ball.
Oh, you got it, yay.
Get it. Abby, you could get that. You just jumped in. Get it.
Mom, you can make it.
Get the ball, baby.
I'm gonna push it.
No, don't.
Me? She's not gonna get it.
Good girl.
Bravo.
The ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball, baby. Get the ball. Cash, can she get it? Can she get it, Cash? I don't think she can get it. I don't think she can get it. I don't think she can get it. Get the ball. Yeah. You can now swim at nighttime. It looks like that because of the lightning. Blue. What? Then when you go and grab the ball for her. It's not in the deep end. It's in the shallow end. Get the ball. You get that ball.
Is it freezing?
No.
Is it hot?
It's warm.
How is it hot? It's freezing.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Should be warm. One.
Go to the other end real fast.
All right, I got the ball, guys. Ready? Ready? Hey, be nice. Get the ball. Finn, you're swimming in the deep end. Help her with the ball.
I can't. Okay, fine.
I don't know if she almost. I don't know. I wasn't looking. Ab, you could do it. You could swim.
Okay.
Get that ball.